Hello guys, welcome to my channel English with Basraj sir. My name is Basraj, an English teacher. I request you all those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let us come to the point. Today let's study about simple dialogues. For example, what's your name? My name is Raju. Where do you live? I live in Mysore. What is Mysore famous for? Mysore is famous for its palace, Mysore Dasara, and Chamundi Hills. Uh, with whom do you live? I live with my parents. Have you got any siblings? I have a brother and a sister. Do you like English? Yes, I love English. What class are you in? I, I study, I am studying at fifth grade or fifth standard. Which is your school? My school is Guardian International School. Do you like sports? Yes, I like to play football. Which is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Do you like your siblings? Yes, I love to play my brother and sister. Do you like music? Yes, I like music. Which music do you like? I like to listen Karnataka classical music. Who is your famous singer? Subbalakshmi is my famous singer. Uh, at what time do you get up? I get up at 7 o'clock. What do you do in the morning? I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I have my coffee and breakfast. Then I get ready to go to school. ನೋಡೋದಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮರೆಯದೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್. Hello guys, welcome to my channel English with Basraj sir. My name is Basraj, an English teacher. I request you all those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe